My name is Stephanie Clarissa, a fourth semester student of the Medical Records and Health Information Study Program, Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya, Cirebon. I am a representative of the Medical Record and Health Information in the event of the selection of outstanding students of Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya 2025.
As a medical recorder, I have a deep interest in learning about health information systems, patient data management, and how technology can support safe, effective, and integrated health services. I believe that the role of medical recorders is not only limited to document management, but also as a driver in the digital transformation of healthcare services. That is what encouraged me to continue to be active not only in the academic field but also in scientific competitions, innovative work, and organizational activities. As a student who's active and committed to self-development in academics, organizations, and community service, I have achieved several excellent achievements at the national level. Among them, I won third place in the National Digital Poster Competition in the Indonesian Medical Record Olympiad organized by Gadjah Mada University 2024, which was attended by more than 20 campuses from all over Indonesia. I also won third place in the National Quran Scientific Writing Competition at Gebiar Brawijaya Qurani organized by Brawijaya University and attended by more than 30 campuses throughout Indonesia. In addition, I also won third place in digital poster at the national level in the anniversary of Hima Eremika Cirebon in 2023 and won second runner-up in MKTIK at the national level in MTKMN Indonesia held by Poltekkes Kemenkes Jakarta II. As a form of academic contribution, I acted as the author of a book chapter entitled Exploration of the ePuskesmas application as a portal for current health services, which already has a HAKI recording number. In addition, I also contributed as a scientific journal writer and editor regarding electronic medical record in 2024. In the field of organization, I was active as an administrator of the Medical Records and Health Information Student Association in the Community Service Division in 2024 and actively participated in every committee. Furthermore, in 2025, I served as Director General of Visual Communication Design in the Student Executive Board of the Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya and also actively participated in managing the social media of the Student Executive Organization and various other committees.
Mental health disorders are a global issue that requires serious attention, including in Indonesia, which records a high prevalence rate.
Data shows that around 61.86% of people with mental disorders in Indonesia have not received adequate mental health services due to various obstacles, such as limited access, social stigma, and lack of understanding. Various limitations in access, availability, affordability, and acceptance of mental health services are the main challenges. In this condition, the Islamic psychotherapy approach based on the values of the Quran offers an alternative therapy that is preventive, curative, constructive, and rehabilitative. The growing utilization of digital literacy also opens up great opportunities to expand the reach of mental health education through more practical and interactive media. Based on this urgency, the digital application Kalma was designed as an innovative media for education and psychological therapy based on Islamic values that aims to increase the accessibility of mental health services at large.
This research aims to design the interface of the Kalma application as an Islamic educational and therapeutic media, as well as analyze the appropriate material and design the appearance of the application based on Islamic psychotherapy principles and ease of use.
Psychotherapy is the process of healing psychological disorders through psychological approaches. In Islam, this approach is based on the values of the Quran and Sunnah as a method of mental therapy. Interaction with the Quran, such as reading, listening, understanding, and practicing, can reduce anxiety and stress levels and increase inner calm. The Quran is referred to as Shifa or medicine of the heart in Quran Surat Al-Isra verse 82. This research used a level 1 research and development approach with qualitative methods. Data were collected through in-depth interviews with two informants, namely psychotherapy experts and media experts.
The Calma application was designed with main features such as
mental health screening using the self-reporting questionnaire, educational content on mental disorders, therapeutic media in the form of Quranic Mortal, video studies, and daily prayers, which are equipped with daily to-do list features, tracking of therapy history in graphical form, and user profile settings. The application interface design prioritizes the principles of ease of navigation, visual consistency, and responsiveness to user needs. The validation results show that the Calma application is considered feasible and effective in supporting the process of Islamic spiritual-based mental health education and therapy. The experts stated that the features were based on Islamic psychotherapy principles and digital application design standards. Nevertheless, some inputs such as the addition of informed consent and navigation enhancements also became material for improvement in the development process. This application is not only a means of information but also serves as a support tool for mental recovery that can be accessed flexibly by the community.
Thus, Calma is a strategic innovation that integrates religious values and digital technology to support improving mental health services that are inclusive, effective, and relevant in the modern era. Based on the results of the study, researchers hope that health workers and the government can increase cross-sector collaboration in improving mental health in the community so that community participation in programs organized by the government can be realized. Because your mental health is a priority, your happiness is an essential, and your self-care is necessity.